wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best nail care kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, we are going to tell you that the Revlon Isaac Mizrahi Essentials is the best thing since sliced bread, because frankly it's not made for heavy-duty work. It is, however, extremely budget-friendly and would make a fine option to keep around for emergencies. It comes with a dual-ended cuticle trimmer and is lightweight and packable. However, the pink and plaid styling isn't for all. At number 9, anyone who's been scratched by an infant knows that they may be small and cute, but their nails are still sharp. You can use the arrnew baby manicure set to prevent these issues, since the pieces it includes were designed to be gentle and safe. It includes an adorable holder for easy transport and makes a great gift for new parents, but the plastic feels a little chintzy. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the Onsen Secret Healing Mineral Restoration is about more than just nail care, as it also gives you that relaxing spa feeling. The cuticle conditioner, which contains no harsh chemicals, moisturizes, strengthens, and prevents irritating cracking. It's organic and cruelty-free and comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. However, the buffer could be longer lasting. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for nail care kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, you don't have to spend a fortune because the Zizzon grooming set is an inexpensive selection that gives you a decent range of tools. These include the standard clippers, of course, as well as those items you may not need every day, like a peeling knife. The case is about 6 inches long and features fashionable rose gold touches, but the implements are hard to remove. Moving up our list to number 6, you'll have enough product to complete up to 10 gel applications with the Sally Hansen Pro Starter Kit, an option that comes in fun colors such as Why Not and Red My Lips. It takes you from start to finish with a buffer, cuticle stick and more. It includes alcohol cleaning pads and delivers professional results. However, the included lamp isn't all that powerful. Halfway up our list at number 5, you'll probably immediately notice the black matte finish of the tools in the Utopia Care Portable, which is eye-catching and sophisticated, but it's more than just a pretty face, since this choice comes with a total of 15 items, so there's relatively little it can't do. There are loops to keep everything in place, which includes an ear pick and a blackhead needle, but its overall durability is so-so. At number 4, the True Glow by Conair All-in-One brings the salon to your home and is useful whether you'd like to trim and shape your talons or paint them too. Plus, the electric tool is rechargeable, so you won't have to hunt for batteries. It includes a manicure bowl and sports a charming pink color. However, the fan is annoyingly loud. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. It may not offer as many uses as some, but the Harperton clipper set performs the task it's intended for quite well. This is in large part thanks to hand-sharpened steel blades that cut smoothly, with no unwanted and unsightly jagged edges. These come with a lifetime replacement warranty and ergonomic handles. They're strong and sturdy. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for nail care kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, when you need a little more oomph, the Beurer Professional has got your back. It includes a high-powered rotary tool along with 10 attachments, so you can perform a range of tasks from callus removal to polishing, for hands and feet that are always smooth and presentable. It features an adjustable speed, a practical dust shield, and a zippered storage pouch. And taking the top spot on our list, you'll find all the essentials in the Three Swords Germany grooming kit, right down to a handy information sheet that explains how to use each piece. And speaking of the pieces, they're crafted from steel, then nickel-plated to guard against corrosion. The case is available in several colors, and it includes a sapphire nail file and a microfiber cleaning cloth. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for nail care kits, or simply click beneath this video.